all the zip files directly downloaded from the 2A portal. Now I need to reconcile this one with my books. So what I will do is I will open my tool and I'll input all the given data. Here, like in column A, I need GST, and B trade, C invoice number, and also you need to click the enable content, then only it will work. And then invoice date, value, IGST, CGST, all these columns need to be filled in by you if you want a reconciliation. And then once you fill it, you just need to go to the GST state code. This is very important as it helps in reconciliation. After that, you need to click on GST, this icon. Then it will ask where you are having the data, and it's in client 2A, right? I'm just clicking on client 2A and then press OK. That's it, and the code will be running in the back. In the background, the code will be executed. You need to wait for somewhere around 26 seconds or 30 seconds based on the complexity of your data and also the process which you're using. In general, it used to take days and days for you to reconcile, but here it will be done more or less in 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see, the screen is getting updated, but the code is running in the background, so you won't be able to see it anything. Only the final output will be visible here. And as you can see, a pop-up is showing that a copy of the file. So whatever the output is there, it is a new file has been created in the same path where the GST2 is located. There a path is created and new file is created with all the same sheets. Books is the base which you have given, and the merge shows all the data from 2A is merged every month, May, April, everything is merged here as a one file. And then in differences, as you can see, wherever there's a difference between 2A and books, as you can see in E column 6930 is there and 7170 is there. There's a difference between 2A and books that's reflected here. And in case of not found, see the ones in green means that, as you can see here, G000449 and it's in 2A, but in books you have recorded it as by 17 by 18, because of which there's a difference. But as my code highlight that in green, so you can ignore that part. And whenever there is green, you can just see the invoice number. If it's matching, you can ignore, and also it's highlights. And when it comes to red, it means there's a similar match, not exact match. See, because as you can see in A1, he didn't give the supplier name in books, because of which I'm not able to trace what is that. But there's a matching reflection in there. You just go and click on H column and then press Control semicolon, then you will go back to the base where it is there. Then press Control G and press enter. It will take you back the original place, through which you can check whether it's a copy or not. If it's a copy of the original invoice, you can put it a green mark. So you can see all these are different invoice numbers. It's happening in the same date, but different invoice number. If it's the same one, you can put a green mark or else highlight that and reconcile the differences. And G and H columns are only for red ones. It's not relevant for green highlighted ones. So through this, your reconciliation process also becomes very simple. And then wrong IGST SGST shows where in case of IGST is recorded as SGST or CGST in your books, it shows the details as here. And also SGST recorded as IGST is shown here. And credit note and debit note shows all the credit notes which are issued by you or debit notes issued on you. And in case of any match in differences and not found, it will show. So here, if you don't want reconciliation but you just need the 2A merge file of all the months, what you can do is you need to delete all the data. It needs to be only a row needs to be present, and then click on GST button. But here the state code needs to be there. Then click on the same file where your total input is located and then press OK. Now, as usual, code is running in the background. See, the final merge and CRDR notes are created, and here in case only no reconciliation, the merge sheet is ready. This is a complete merge sheet, and this is the credit notes or debit note issued on you. That's it. So if you don't want that, if you don't want reconciliation, only need merge data, you can do it also. And in case of a simple data, this is the output which I have generated. Now you can see and have an idea about how it works. And in case you want to test the tool on your data, you can go to the website as mentioned in here and just click on the Duet record tool, wherein we are giving a 3-day free trial for you to choose whether it fits your data or not, and based on which you can make your decision. Thank you.